Can you buy? I couldn't. You can't go on money about that. I have a ball now.
Daddy, where's the keys?
Come on! I don't know why.
Something's inside. Nana.
Yeah.
It's not your soccer ball. No, it's not yours. No.
Come on.
No, don't touch it.
Stop that rubbish one.
Daddy, can you hold that? Daddy, can you hold it?
Hey! Turn this up.
Go, you go here. Go, you go to the middle. Daddy. What is Daddy?
I'm going for it. Good job.
Go, it's not yours. Keep it back. Doggy.
Abdullah. I don't know why.
No further again.
About 5 goals down, and the game continues. The white team, Francis Fonga, the captain of the side. The white team is in control. The coach is telling them that the defender is out, that they should take advantage. But I don't know what is going on. That's a pass. That's Morris. The white back to Morris. Now Morris gave a bad pass. He got to Collard, and the white took. And Morris gets the ball now. Let's see what he can do. He kicks it out. There's nobody. Oh no, the ball has been deflected. It's out of play. Ikenga is mad with his player for not passing the ball. Sometimes you have some people who hold possession of this ball and will not pass the ball. Sometimes they have people they would not pass the ball to because they feel they do not play to perhaps their standard. That has been some of the sad practice which the coach has been trying to correct. He tells them, hey, play with the free man, play everybody. Yeah, here is for practice. The coach player has the ball, passes it out. I think he's playing for both sides. If the colored passes the ball to him, he plays for them, and if the white passes the ball to him, he plays for them. Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, the practice continues. That's the next close by the goal. It's headed up by Brian. Ikenga has the ball. He passes out the ball to Chibuzo. Chibu looks and kicks it. That's a good pass. What can he do? He's being hardly charged by Bond. Bond is charging him. Or he passes out the ball. Tries to dribble. He passes out the ball. That's a good passing. He's going to the post. Somebody's close to the post. What's going to happen? Looks like oh no, ladies and gentlemen, it's on the goal. Somebody's been blocked. That's Nana. He dispossessed. What's wrong? Did he get kicked? Looks like some Morris is gassed out. He's been helped up by Ibrahim. Fonga is having his hand to his knees. Who's there on the field? Who's lying there on the floor? Is he okay? Who's there lying down? It looks like Sam. Is he coming out of the pitch? Sam is out. What's wrong with him? He's gonna go back to he's jumping back to the field of play. Ikenga. The ball's advantage. I mean, he comes in and takes position of the ball. He passes to Ikenga. Good job. Ikenga spoke and the ball is working with him now. Right now, the Colored has taken possession of this ball. He's with the coach. Okay, Tele. Okay, let's passes the ball. Ikenga is back there already. Ladies and gentlemen, Ikenga has some energy. He's playing front and back. Yes, that is what this game is for. I can see Fonga trying to talk to his man. Somebody's down. I think it's Aminu is down. That's a charge. Fonga has the ball. This is an opportunity for him to score. Oh no, ladies and gentlemen, he kicked the ball, but it was blocked by indomitable Brian. They said, oh, it was almost a goal. Man, the Colored has an indomitable defense network. And he's going, Brahim just blocked that ball. Morris has the ball. The White is trying to make effort to at least score a goal. Fonga has the ball. He cocks, he kicks. Oh, listen, gentlemen, oh no, it's up. It's a race on a post, but he didn't make it. That's a struggle at that post. Who is there? So Fonga is trying to get the ball, but he's been equally challenged. Oh, Kenga gives us the good kick. The Whites are trying all the time to score the goal, but they are equitably challenged. Who is there? Is it a goal? It's close by the goal. What's great? There's a big struggle in the post. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a goal for White. It's a goal for White at last. It has come in. Well, that was a fascinating goal. Fascinating in the sense that the ball was static and just rolled into the goalpost for a goal. At least the Whites can now celebrate one goal. The White still has possession of the ball. He's going around on the right flank. He's going to, oh man, he goes around. Oh, that's John. Who has the ball? Nana has the ball going from the left flank. He kicks. He tries to dribble Brian, but Brian says no. This is Bond. Bond.
Hey, come on, man. Come on, fight him. That's your. Ameno. John, fight him. A minute. 1, 2, 1, 2. Go.
Oh no, it's close to the post. Ladies and gentlemen, a lot of goals have been coming against the White team. Fonga, the captain of the White side, is trying to reorganize his team.
Nobody running around with their ball.
Ikenga.
Hey! Somebody in the car! Thank you, John.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's another goal. Fantastic goal. Fantastic goal. That is the end of the game. Fantastic game by E. The Colored won this game. Well, they scored multiple goals that we even lost count. Yeah, but it's all for fun. Yeah, this is a very good game for exercise. They have to despise the cold and come out here and get some good games. Yes, Ikenga is the man who is the man of the match. Ikenga is the man of the match. Yes, you see, ladies and gentlemen, and the indomitable defense led by the Brian, and the explosive attack led by Aminu and the rest. The White team was so poor that the game went that way. Mr. Fonga.